Hey there, Aruba and Vegan Vacation is on. We just came back from the grocery store. What we did, we were coming to Aruba, a Dutch island, before we left. What we did was we did Google Translate, and we did everything for vegan, vegetarian, dairy-free, etc., etc. Went to the grocery store. Can you believe? Look at this. Vegan salad already ready to go, already made up, good to go. That's going to be lunch. We got some whole wheat bread here, and we got some interesting single-serve oatmeal. What you do is you just have a coffee maker over there, which we just run the hot water through the coffee maker without coffee, pour it into the oatmeal, boom. We got edamame beans, roasted and salted, nice snack. One of my favorites, honey roasted sesame snacks, because it is vacation. And pick up things we can't get at home. Maple pumpkin butter. All right. Fig and walnut butter. All approved. Natural chunky peanut butter. Some cherry preserves. I mean, I can go on and on. Some dairy-free kind of yogurt. Vegan food. We got some dark chocolate. We got some almond fig rolls. Some drinks. We got various kinds of rice cakes. And we got chia seeds just to toss on some stuff. Another type of whole grain cracker. Of course, we've got chocolate almond milk. We've got fortified vanilla, and then this one is coconut almond, and then we've got some flax-based granola we checked out, banana coconut, and then chocolate, and then just lots of really good stuff to add to our food, and just looking forward to getting at it. And of course, we are on vacation, wobbly pops. So stay tuned. This is just the beginning. One little trip to the grocery store, vegan vacation. How am I going to eat when I travel? No problem. Stay tuned for more.